Hi, this is Shelley with the Gray Wren Nest here in Ohio, Zone 6B. These are flowers from last year planted in GardenSoxx. I have a full video on the step-by-step how-to, so please take a look at that. This year I'm going to share how to plant year 2, and boy is it ever a piece of cake. Let me show you. So last year we started off with 2 GardenSoxx kits. And I'm sponsored by GardenSoxx, and I do have an affiliate link below, and you will get 10% off the kit going through the link. With great success in year 1, I thought, you know what, I'm going to try year 2. They say 3 to 5 years in the same Soxx with the same soil. So I thought, well, you know what, I'm going to give it a try. So here I'm showing you that I'm using Biotone to spark up that dirt for the new year. And we are planting Supertunias. This is Supertunia Paradise. I love this color. And I love Supertunias, Proven Winners Supertunias. You can't go wrong with them. So what you'll see here is that I dig out just where the old Supertunias were. It's almost like the 4-inch pot of dirt that it was in. And I just removed that old pod of dirt and replace with new, fresh soil. And I put in a little bit of Biotone and I stir it up, and then I plant the flowers. What you see next is the reason I love GardenSoxx so much. I'm in my 60s, and do you see that rock flower bed there? There is no way I'm getting on my knees and planting in rocks. It just doesn't mix with me. I don't know how many people it actually mixes with. This is the easiest way I find to plant this garden area. And here you see me using the water system that I already have in place. This is the drip system. Now, GardenSoxx does come with its own drip system. However, mine was already in place, so I didn't replace it, but I have it on hand for extra. I continue to lay down each of the Soxx as I plant them and move my watering system into place, and I use spikes. They are 4-inch U-shaped garden spikes that usually hold down some of the cloth that you would put underneath the stones and underneath mulch. Here you see me walking back with a smile because I know I'm getting ready to turn the corner and go around the other side of the house. So here I am making my way around the side of the house, and I haven't even broken a sweat yet. That's how easy this is. And here's the whole area planted from a corner view. And here's a picture of the finished GardenSoxx starting at the end of May 2026. They're already starting to look beautiful. They've been planted for 1 week. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me this summer and watch them grow. You'll be amazed.